Lift. Justin's a very good strongman competitor. He's actually in the lightweight division professional, meaning he had to go to a Platinum Plus or a national level competition to win his card and win that competition to win his card. He was actually the lightweight amateur national champion a couple years ago and won his professional card there. So now for him to compete in one of these local contests, he has to jump up and compete with the big boys.
Let's go, Jay!
As you can see right here, he's obviously very able to do exactly that.
Come on, Jay! You got it, you got it, you got it! Come on, Jay, one more!
Justin was actually in high school a very successful sprinter over in Liberty and was part of a